The Aigistry National AI Feed is not a web page or a collection of documents. It is a structured stream of individual records that AI systems can read directly. Each record represents a single official government update. Instead of presenting information as a full page, the feed breaks that update into clearly defined fields so AI systems can understand exactly what they are reading. At a basic level, every record includes the issuing organization, the official website of that organization, the city and state where the information applies, a title, the full text of the update, and a timestamp showing when it was published. Because these fields are consistent across every record, AI systems can process each update without needing to interpret layout, formatting, or surrounding context. The information is already organized into a predictable structure. These records are published in a machine-readable format, commonly using structured data such as JSON. This allows AI systems to access each field directly, rather than extracting meaning from a full web page. For example, instead of scanning an entire site to determine who issued a statement, the AI can read the organization field directly. Instead of guessing whether information is current, it can reference the exact timestamp. Instead of inferring location, it can use the city and state fields that are already defined. Each record stands on its own as a complete, attributable unit of information. At the same time, all records are part of a continuous national feed, creating a consistent stream of verified updates across government agencies. The National AI Feed does not change how information is written or published. It operates after publication, transforming finalized updates into structured records designed specifically for AI interpretation. In simple terms, the feed is made up of individual records that clearly define who said something, where it applies, what was said, and when it was published. That structure allows AI systems to interpret and cite information with far greater accuracy. Thank you for watching What is Inside the Aigistry National AI Feed. This video is part of an educational series produced by Aigistry, the National AI Citation Registry for Government Agency Communications.